Welcome back to part 8 of our simple 3D character modeling series in Prisma 3D. Before we jump into rigging, let's first add some lighting to our scene to make it really come alive. Let's start by adding a directional light. This will act as our main light source, like sunlight. You can adjust the angle and intensity to simulate different times of the day. Take your time to rotate and reposition the directional light until you get a nice soft shadow that brings out the shape of your character. Now let's add a point light to give our scene more depth. Point lights are great for highlighting specific areas, like your character's face or an object nearby. Play around with the point light's position, angle, and range to get the desired effect. You can also change the color of the light to match your scene's mood. There's no fixed rule, just experiment. Try different angles and combinations of lights until your scene has that perfect balance of brightness, contrast, and mood. And here's a quick before versus after to show how much of a difference lighting can make. Just look at how alive and dynamic the scene feels now. That's it for this lighting tutorial in Prisma 3D. Lighting can completely transform your scene, so take your time and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Northpaul Studio. Up next, we're finally diving into rigging our character. See you there!